In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Apollo.io account. Managing digital accounts efficiently and ensuring security is an essential part of our online lives. Today, we'll navigate the process of deleting your account with Apollo.io, ensuring each step is easy to understand and execute. So, let's dive in. First, we need to open up a web browser on your computer or device. Any browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, will do the trick. Just launch the software you're comfortable with. This is an important step, as you'll need internet access to proceed with the process. Next, we're going to visit a specific web page on the Apollo.io site. In the URL bar at the top of your browser, you want to type in Apollo.io Privacy Policy Remove. This particular page is where Apollo.io manages account deletion and opt-out requests. Make sure the address is correctly typed to avoid any navigational errors. Once the page is loaded, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This is the email address associated with the Apollo.io account you wish to delete. Be sure it's entered accurately to ensure the right account is processed. Submitting the wrong email might cause delays or result in the wrong account being removed. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the link that says Get Verification Information. This initiates the deletion process and is crucial for verifying your identity with Apollo.io. They take privacy seriously, and this step is all about ensuring that the request is genuine and comes from the rightful account holder. Now, with that request sent, it's time to check your email inbox. Head over to the email service you used, whether it's Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, or another provider. Look for a message from Apollo.io that will include further instructions on completing the account deletion process. Sometimes messages like this might slip into your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if it doesn't appear in your inbox right away. Once you locate the email, follow the instructions provided. These steps are crucial and ensure that your account is fully deleted. Apollo.io will guide you through any remaining confirmations. Congratulations, you've successfully requested the removal of your Apollo.io account. By following these steps, you've taken control of your digital footprint with Apollo.io. It's important to manage your online presence vigilantly and, when necessary, remove accounts that are unused or no longer needed. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and digital management advice. Until next time, stay secure online.